So good afternoon and welcome to the second lecture of today's workshop. And now I'm going to tell you how we are going to uh, assemble the tube light, right? So the components for tube lights are very small. So we are having this one wire and then a power supply. Now here there is a transformer. So it is a quite big power supply as respect to the bulb, right? And this is the LED strip that should be connected over here. So I will show you everything how it is being connected. Okay, so shall we start? So this is the assembly. This is the case of a tube light, right? And here we are having one groove. If you are able to see here it is a groove in which this LED strip can be fitted, right? So it directly puts inside the groove. So if you put like this, yeah, शुरू किया? Okay, so first what I will do, I will just put this wire from here. So there is a hole. From here I am putting this wire. So yeah, so it comes out of from here, and here we have to connect this power supply, right? And I will also fit this strip. This strip is very delicate, so please handle this strip with care. So I'm just inserting it in that groove. Yeah, so now it just slides inside it. So on both the sides we are having pins, on this side also and on that side also we are having the pins to be connected. So yes, I have just pushed it in. I will keep like this only, and after that I will solder that, right? So this is that. Before that we need to uh, join this power supply. So these are the two holes on this side where we are having a blue color capacitor. So I'm just soldering this on this portion. So we need to just solder it like this. So we'll put from this side. Okay. So I guess it is visible on the screen on Zoom. It's very simple now. Yeah. So we just need to solder this by the soldering iron. Yes, it's on. So I'm soldering this power supply. Yeah. Second terminal. Yes, it is there. It's simple. I guess it is soldered. Yeah. So it is being soldered over here. Now I will just show you that these are the two pins where I have soldered it, and I will just push this power supply inside this case. So it should not be disturbed. And these are the red and black wires. Again, they are showing you the polarities. So red wire is to be connected to the positive terminal, and the black wire is to be connected to the ground. So here we have this positive and minus written over here. If it is visible, it is written over here positive and negative. So I am going to connect this red wire on the positive side and the black wire on the ground side. So I will just solder this. I will take a minute, pause. I will have soldering wire. Yes. Okay. So now we can solder this. Yes. Yes, sorry. Yeah, I have connected it to the positive terminal and the ground is on this portion. Yeah. So they are being now connected. Now I can put this inside a little bit more like this and it gets fitted. Yeah. Now you can try to switch on this light. Let me check whether it's working or not. Yeah. So it's on. It's visible. I can just move this a little bit like, yeah. So yes, it can be now visible from you that it's on. And we are having two more things. So these are the side uh, clap. So we have to just fit this likewise without disturbing the groove and that. So it gets fitted like this. And there is one more, that is a small rubber cap which is to be kept inside this and it gets fitted inside this so that this wire is also not going to move. So you can fit like this. So this is all the material that we are having, and yes, you can make a simple tube light by this. So this is the tube light, and the cost of this tube light is around 350 or 250 depending on the wattage that you require. But as you purchase the raw and prepare this, it doesn't cost much. So this is the construction of a tube light. I will again try to light it up. Yeah, so it's working. Great. So this is how you can assemble a tube light. It doesn't require much raw with respect to the LED bulb. It is having a case, a simple strip of wire, a power supply, and a wire, right? So you can make this a tube light, right? Have you got this? So thank you very much for viewing this, and I will be uploading this on my YouTube channel. I will be uploading more videos like this on my YouTube channel. Please go through my YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Good day. Yeah.